Did Bianca bring that over, Tabitha?
Yeah.
What over?
That present for Sabrina.
No.
It's wrapped like a maniac.
That's gotta be from Bianca.
Yeah,
That's funny.
It's like a candy cane or something.
that's what Tabby got me. It's a candy cane.
Did you get her a candy cane?
Yeah, she melted it.
Oh, it melted.
Those are cute.
Yeah, Grandma got them.
Oh my goodness, it's
Lori.
ridiculous.
They're mine.
You're welcome. I'm glad you like it that much.
I've been, Jeff,
Ashley was with me. It was Cyber Monday. I was online and going,
Okay.
Ashley, I gotta get this for Paul. She's like, yeah.
Clearance stuff, looking at those ones that are like $100 and you sit. I was like, I should get one. This is awesome.
I might be able to get it.
Look at that.
I need scissors.
Get her a pair of scissors.
No joke, I need scissors.
Bianca just
Man, it
Bianca
is
just, like-
pouring
Remember
outside.
when we did this to your stocking one year?
You're so
You're the last one, Brandon, so we gotta get you on tape.
all of it. There was no
They have figures.
It's shakeable, it's not a candy cane.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Think of like a polar.
Jeez Louise.
Richard did that to me once, wrapped up everything in my stocking.
Oh, we did that.
Here, Tabby, come over here. Tabby, come over here.
$30 on
She's
tape.
gonna go running.
Yeah. We made sure there were no like crevices that she could rip.
That's funny.
Can you see what it is yet?
There was nothing. She couldn't get them open.
There's probably nothing in it. That's the funny part.
No, it's shaky.
Oh, okay.
It's shaky.
Candy.
Man, it is pouring. I can hear it. I wonder if it'll turn to snow.
That's the rain?
Gosh, you wrapped in like 50 layers.
That sucks.
Is it a remote?
Oh, it could be a remote. That's funny.
I got keys.
You
Is
did?
this a joke?
I don't know. You better go up front and find out.
You did it. Mom did not.
Here, put this on, put this on, put this on, put this on.
You gotta see. Hurry. Watch out, Amber.
Gonna get trampled. Oh no, watch it from the window.
Yeah, really.
Oh, shoot. I don't have shoes on.
Here, you want to take pictures?
Yeah.
Should he hold it down or what?
You're a big girl now.
The ribbon says congratulations, Sabrina, although you can't tell.
Sorry.
On the right side.
It unlocks. She better not go driving. She doesn't know how to work
You're
it.
locking it.
Other side. Other one.
Throw Lori up.
She can't figure out how to get in it.
You get the keys next Christmas.
Yeah.
Car now, keys next
What's
Christmas.
her car?
Congratulations.
Oh, wow.
I had to save the best for last.
That's gorgeous. Yeah. That is cool.
Now you're gonna be cool in school. That's a joke. You had no idea, did you?
I actually had a dream about this last night.
Well, she thought earlier maybe, but when it didn't happen,
I can't breathe.
Come on, Rich, you want to take her on the block in it?
I told Lori,
Not in the rain.
I go, what a worse day to get her a car. Blowing rain, gonna be icy roads tonight.
And then you went, no,
And then I
I'm
was
not
like,
getting it.
no, I'm not.
Did it this way. It's been
It's been at their house for a month.
It's been at their house for a month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Front yard for a month.
I can't believe I got a
And I went and had all kinds of stuff
Oh
done
my
to it.
god! Oh god, I'm not. I don't have to drive your van.
We need that insurance
Oh, I
so
need to
bad.
look
We
at
need to get you insured.
I don't know. I didn't look. I'm not good with cars.
It's a Ford Taurus.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Did you see the inside?
I drove it over here. Yeah, I saw the inside. Congratulations.
I thought she wrapped her parents' keys in the wrapping.
Classic,
The timing was perfect.
I got
She got over that other
Well, the
day.
look on her face was priceless. She goes, "Are you cereal?" And sort of running out.
Oh, yeah.
And she did too. Like she didn't
All right,
like
get all
it.
the flies out. We get all the flies out.
We're all in now.
Are you
Like
seriously?
when you tack that, you know, when I'm all the way.
Really kind of brought the
Take
chair?
off my shoes. I'm scared I'm gonna fall. Oh wait, I can't.
She would call her friend. Her friend
I have
said,
to
well,
take
what
my
kind
shoes
of
off
car
of
is it?
this
She can go, I don't know.
That's why Taurus
It's
SE.
got 4 tires. I know that.
I know. It moves. Ford Taurus SE. SE.
Got dual airbags. Dual.
And a back seat. So you can have all your kids around. Yeah, you can
have
have
a back seat. You're bad.
whatever. No, I'm thinking like
Yeah.
theater practice. You're bad. I'm thinking like she can take all her
You're
friends
all
home from
in the
theater.
back seat.
Yeah, because we all know what you do in the back seat.
Oh.
I've never done that before, Amber.
No, I bought my first one.
She didn't call me. She
$100. A 63 Chevy Bell.
She texts like, I'll text Kay, and then I get a whole paragraph,
But I
and then I'm like,
the one
I get like paragraph stuff.
chopped off in the motor.
There's like these.
I'm like,